Welcome to pre- and postnatal Barre Blend. And congratulations, you are co-creating a miracle, and I couldn't be more happy that you're here because I created this powerful, performance-driven, trimester-specific program for you. I designed it to optimize you at every phase of your pregnancy and to prepare you for the 3 greatest accomplishments of all time: pregnancy, childbirth, and motherhood. I have 2 amazing mamas with me, Ashley and Kat, who've been doing this work with me for months, helping me create and curate something so special. And we are going to begin. This workout is safe for all trimesters. Kat will be showing you how to modify, and Ashley is for those of you that want to kick it up a notch. And you don't need much equipment to begin. Just a sturdy chair, a set of resistance loops, a mat, a set of light dumbbells, 1 to 5 pounds, and of course, your good energy and a willingness to empower this beautiful phase of your life. So I'm going to begin by using a common activity of daily life, the ground pickup, to reach for my heaviest weights to start, 2 5-pound weights, but feel free to start with no weights at all. Let's begin with a kettlebell swing to warm it up. I want you to find your deep breath, and let's focus on an affirmation together. I am empowered. Believe me, what you are doing right now in building and creating life is more impressive and more powerful than any Ironman triathlon or any other athletic experience. And I'm here to remind you of your strength. Now, I'm using 2 5-pound dumbbells to emulate the weight of a newborn baby, so we get strong enough to do some of these activities of daily life and up-level them to add power and performance. Now, I'm going to take 2 more of these, and then I'm going to swap out my 5-pound weights for a lighter set now that my heart rate is safely elevated. I'm going to be mindful about how I move because so much of this program is preparing you for activities of daily life. Now, let's step side to side, get some strong lateral movement here. And to modify, the range of motion is a little bit higher and a little bit less. But then, as you work the program with me, day to day, week to week, trimester to trimester, you may find an increased level of mobility, strength, power, and fun. Ashley, are you feeling that too?
All in my bottom.
I love it. Let's go ahead and take 1 more. Find the range of motion that empowers you. I hold space for you to work at whatever your edge is on any particular day. Now, let's go ahead and take one of our other fundamental moves, the hinge. In this program, I work on supporting your neutral alignment, a healthy amount of core activation to optimize your strength and stability through all phases and all trimesters. And I encourage you to have fun. I created this program out of a passion to empower my mamas out there who are doing the most important work of all, creating the next generation of kids and people that will be building the world that I want to live in. So let's go ahead, punch out our fear, punch out our doubt, and punch out what we think we know about prenatal fitness. The guidelines have changed. I get to treat your pregnancy and postnatal journey as the superpower it is. And I want you to see yourself for what you are: incredible, aspirational, and awesome. Let's take 2 more here and then open it up. We'll bring the weights in and up. Now, I've tried some of these moves with up to 5 pounds. And by the end of the program, maybe you will too. But maybe you're starting with 1-pound weights or no weights at all. I'm so proud of you just for pressing play and committing to yourself and the health of your baby. And if you like this core and arm specific work here, I've created an abundance of 10-minute enhancements so you can up level and find body part specific moves that will give you that gorgeous aesthetic. So as your healthy belly bump grows, we get streamlined arms, toned legs, a nice lifted booty, and all the self-confidence that we deserve. All right, trimester 1 specific move. We're continuing to work on activities of daily life. This is a fundamental move, the one-sided carry. We practice core stabilization and strength so that we are prepared for daily activities like getting up from the ground, getting into and out of bed. It may sound simple, But it's so important to have our body be functional, strong, and stable as our belly starts to grow and as our center of gravity begins to shift. Let's do one more. Woo! Feeling that, Kat?
Yes.
Let's switch sides and pause. So, one of the things that is incredibly unique and specific about this program is my signature labor intensive interval training, or LIT training. Because let's face it, labor is the highest energy workout you will ever do. I want you prepared, and that's only the beginning. Motherhood has its own demands, and I want you ready and inspired. Let's try the balance for the last 3. Find your breath. It's also important that we manage our energy so we can recover quickly, both in labor and in those sleepless nights with the newborn. So you can feel free to up level to 5 pounds. Trimester 2, we're gonna take a variation on a challenging ADL, the ground pickup. So in trimester 2, you're feeling your best. You have the most amount of energy. I am going to be taking you through skyrocketing energy intervals. Ashley, let's see what you've got here. It will be an all-out effort for short amounts of time with an almost equal amount of recovery to mimic the early stages of labor, where contractions are intense but short and recovery periods are longer. Let's practice recovering. You can tell I'm a little breathless and I'm not busy creating life, so you can feel the power of this program. You guys ready for side 2? I don't know if I am, but labor comes whether we are or not. I think our little one decides when they want to enter the world, right? So we better be ready. Whew. So again, another interval, short and sweet. So I want you to give me everything you have. I know that that is so much to ask, but be okay with whatever your best is today. Maybe you're with Ashley, maybe you're with Kat. Either way, you're just awesome. You're getting that energy up when it matters. Let's do one more here and lift. My job is to make you feel good while I empower you. I'm gonna support my back, practice the ground pickup as I grab a loop. So we learned to be mindful about moving things like chairs. I'm going to pick up a set of dumbbells. I'm going for 2s. Feel free to go for 0 to 5 pound weights. I want you feeling good and empowered. So we work on stability in trimester 3. Relaxing kicks back in. It can give us a sensation of hypermobility that is false. So I use a lot of stability band training, and believe it or not, I'm gonna have you at your strongest at the end of trimester 3. I want you the strongest as your belly grows to support your growing baby and the new life ahead. And in honor of that, trimester 3 mamas, this is the Super Mom, one of my favorite signature moves. Now I'm gonna have 2 weights in one hand, but again, weights are up to you. We want to extend and engage and bring it in. So I'm out to debunk the myth that we don't do core work when we're pregnant. We do very prescriptive, very conscientious core work. Most of it is standing in trimester 3, so it also works your full body. And I think my girls here will attest to that.
Yes.
So breathe as you go. Again, we practice finding our breath in the middle of surges, both of energy and of labor. Now, in trimester 3, the very hardcore cardio and strength work intervals get much, much longer, and the recovery periods get much shorter, much like the later phases of labor, where we really need to practice breathing, enduring, and keeping our positive attitude. Now, speaking of positive attitude, I like to have fun in between things, right? We don't wait to arrive somewhere to have fun. So as we switch sides, a little bit of self-expression, right? It's all about being unself-conscious and radically loving yourself as you are every day. At each size, at each phase, in each moment, you will have a lot of emotions coming into play during this really awesome time. Sometimes those emotions might feel overwhelming. On those days, I want you to press play because I'm here for you. And I designed these workouts to actually give you energy, give you focus, help you sleep. So pressing play won't deplete you like other programs might. It actually enhances your experience and makes you feel good. Do you guys agree?
Totally agree.
Yes, and they're a little bit breathless, so they can't always answer, but that's part of the fun. I'm feeling my butt, my hips, my thighs, my core, and all of my great energy. All right, this brings us up to trimester 4, which is our incredible postnatal journey. By this point, you've welcomed in a brand new bundle of joy, and I can't wait to see all the pictures. I'm gonna give us some space and come into a flow I call the warrior mama. We're gonna open it up. Now, trimester 4 is all about core recovery. So whether you've had a very smooth labor and delivery all the way up to an emergency C-section, I have strong and powerful, yet safe core recovery moves that are designed to help you bounce back as quickly as you can into the most empowered version of yourself. Now let's hold it here, engage the core, and with everything I do, it's just a metaphor for our life. Let's aim high and aim true by being centered and in our core. And let's remember to get grounded in our strong foundation, even as we embrace new life changes. So let's do it one more time. Lift it up, set those lofty goals, make an intention for your little one, and even more importantly, for yourself. Bring it down, shift your weight. Maybe you try a balance with Ashley and I, little pulls here. And as you do, can you remind yourself that you are powerful, you are connected, you are amazing, and you are capable of whatever you want to create, including the miracle of life. And you know what? It's okay to tip over. I do it all of the time, but this program is truly designed to elevate you. Yes, you will get the amazing belly-only aesthetic that you're looking for with that powerful silhouette of strong arms, legs, and a lifted seat. But just as importantly, you will feel strong, connected to yourself, empowered, confident, and as we practice the number one thing that we want to give to our baby, love. And how can we give away what we don't first possess ourselves? So this is all about self-love, affirmation, confidence. Let's try that balance. Sometimes, and if it's not in pregnancy, I don't know when, our foundation gets taken out from under us. But we have to stay strong. We embrace the falls. We know we can get back up. And we know that perfection is simply in doing our best each and every day, however that looks or feels. Now I'm gonna set my band down, and part of this powerful program is that every class we begin and end with 3 minutes of powerful centering. We're gonna take it in a wall sit because you, mama, are the strongest human being out there, and what you are doing is more powerful, more impressive, more connected, and more miraculous than anything that exists. So bring one hand to that gorgeous open heart. Bring one hand to that sweaty but powerful core. Embrace your little one. Take an inhale. Breathe in our affirmation. I am powerful. I can accomplish anything I set my mind to. And if I bring my heart with me, all the better. And on this journey, I will be inspiring you to open your heart to your fullest potential and to rise into your highest calling, your highest purpose, and your best self for you and for your family. I can't wait to see you at the bar.